It's going to take a few minutes to generate the code. You put in just one line, one sentence, and you're going to get a full test case with over 100 lines of code, just like that. But let me tell you about AiBuddy in the meantime, the other superpower in AiScriptBuddy. I've done a lot of automation in the past. Flaky tests, broken locators, those 2 a.m. XPath emergencies. If you've ever been in that spot, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Writing tests, that's the easy part. It's maintaining them that really kills you. I used to spend way too much time fixing tests. Tests fail, you dig in, tweak a line, rerun, cross your fingers, and hope the demo gods are kind. Could be a locator, could be timing, but either way, guess who's fixing it? Yep, you, but not anymore. First, if a test case fails, AiBuddy diagnoses the issue and even suggests a fix. You just click yes, and AiBuddy handles the change and reruns the test for you. And if you want to make a change, just tell AiBuddy what needs fixing. And just like that, it gets done. No more digging around through lines of code, no more second guessing. It fixes things just like you would, only faster. Like a superhero sidekick fast. AiBuddy is good, but you're the one who holds it all together. You're the one who's doing the supervision and making sure that the AI doesn't go off track. Selectors get updated, timing issues handled. Your tests, they actually hold up. You're not stuck going step by step anymore. You shouldn't have to keep fixing the same issues again and again and again. Tests still break. You're not fixing tests anymore. You're directing how they should work. So while your script is being generated, Buddy's already doing the maintenance for you. Looking forward to having you use it.